Number 1. NutriBullet Blender Combo. This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, making it super versatile and our pick for the best value. It includes a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies at pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended Kaylee smoothies in all 3 jars, and all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed daiquiri. The base is not much larger than other NutriBullet models, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. The blades screw onto the top of the personal cups and then get inverted to be blended, so be careful to unscrew the personal blending cups from the base of the blender when you're done blending. Number 2. Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker. Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo Blender with Smart Torque, designed to power through the thickest ingredients at high speed and never stall. One base with multi-functions. The Power Nutri Cup has a better breakdown for smoother extractions and smoothies. The Power Nutri Bowl with Power Paddle powers through frozen foods with less liquid for thick smoothie bowls and nut butter. Type of blender or food processor: Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor. Capacity: ounces, 24 FL. Speed/settings: 5 speed. True color and material: silver, stainless steel. Dimensions: HXWXD, 10.79 x 6.69 x 6.69. Warranty: 1 year. Warning: cancer and reproductive harm. www.p65 warnings .gov. Sold as 1 each. Number 3. Cuisinart BFP703BC Smart Blender. Cuisinart's powerful new 7-speed blender also has a genuine Cuisinart food processor. A heavy-duty 500-watt motor pulses, stirs, mixes, purees, chops, and even crushes ice in record time. In food processor mode, users can slice, shred, or process ingredients right into a 3-cup work bowl. It's big, it's powerful, and it's easy. Removable parts are dishwasher safe. Features: full power 500-watt motor with overload protection, cast metal housing, 48-ounce glass blender jar with premium ultra-sharp stainless steel blade assembly, 3-cup food processor attachment with feed tube and pusher slicing/shredding disc, and stainless steel chopping blades, 7-speed electronic, touchpad controls with lid indicators, removable 2-ounce measuring cap on blender jar lid, recipe booklet, 3-year warranty free. Number 4. Breville Fresh and Furious Blender BBL 620 Silk. We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yielded a smooth and creamy texture with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button, which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup to a silky smooth texture and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces and became stained a little from the tomato sauce. Another high-performing blender from Breville that we have tested is the Breville 3X Blucer Pro. In our tests, this model produced creamy and smooth soup and a strawberry green smoothie that had no sign of kale. While this model is a little more pricey, it does offer the ability to juice with it as well. 2 appliances in 1. Or if you're on the hunt for a hand blender instead of a full-size blender, we also recommend the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, which tested best in our Immersion Blender Lab tests with a non-stick blender arm and perfectly emulsified mayo. Number 5. Vitamix at 3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. A 2023 Kitchen Gear Award winner, this was best tested when we tested 8 Vitamix blenders side by side, and also came on top when tested against 25 other blender models. Besides its performance, noteworthy features include a touch interface, 5 program settings, a programmable timer, variable speed, and pulse. This blender also pairs with all of Vitamix's self-detect containers, which will recognize the cup and automatically adjust blend settings for its size. Self-detect containers don't just come in personal size, but also a food processor attachment, new 48-ounce color containers, stainless steel containers, and more. In our tests, this model produced the best-tasting kale and strawberry smoothie that completely went through a sieve without any flecks of kale or pieces of strawberry remaining. Milkshakes were creamy, frothy, and had a great body. Homemade peanut butter was silky smooth without any peanut chunks remaining, and margaritas were restaurant quality with a super fluffy consistency. Overall, we were very impressed with this blender's ability to break down even the toughest of ingredients.